Aboveground Pool and Liner Installation, Brandon, Riverview, and Plant City. For above-ground swimming pool installation service for any manufacturer, call 800-457-1622. 457-1622. Do you need a vinyl liner above-ground swimming pool construction? We assemble above-ground pools in the greater Tampa Bay area. We replace vinyl liners and construct above-ground pools in Hillsborough, Pasco, Polk, Pinellas counties. If you have a round or oval pool kit from any manufacturer, we can build it. We build pools for Mr. Pool, Family Pool and Spa, Pinch-A-Penny, Leslie's, Rec Warehouse, Intex, Lowe's, Walmart, and Amazon. If you bought your pool from any online website, we can build it. We deliver sand for under the liner, concrete block for under the frame, and we include Zapzit herbicide to kill weeds under the liner. Our website is tampapoolinstallation.com. Typically, we can have your above-ground pool installed in weeks of your call. Most installations are complete in less than a day. Please call 800-457-1622 for your above-ground swimming pool installation.